Have you ever tried making money online? That's why I created this YouTube channel to assist people like you who are new to making extra money online. And today I have a super simple way for you to use it as a beginner. If you are already making money online, you can use this way to increase your profits. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a lot of money by using this new website as a passive source of income. This is perfect for beginners because you don't need much training and it's very quick and straightforward to do. You just need to set up your account properly. Now, much like almost any of the other methods that I post on this channel, this method is completely free. You don't have to pay or deposit any money and it works globally. So you don't have to go through the hassle of setting up a VPN and all that because this method will work regardless of where you are. So pay attention to every second of the video because I'm going to reveal some hidden tips and tricks that you can use for this tool right now. But before we begin, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video on how to make money online, you will be notified and you can start making things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. I enjoy learning new things, particularly when they provide me with new skills or abilities. So baking, grilling, and general cooking are just a few of the new skills that I've picked up. But I'm curious, what are any new skills or abilities that you guys would like to have? Leave a comment down below saying what you'd like to master, and maybe you'll find someone down in the comments that also wants to start the same thing that you're trying to start. If you're curious why I'm talking about skills and talents, it's because the website we'll be using in this process is called createlive.com. If you are unfamiliar with this website, it is an educational forum where you can learn new skills and abilities. It is essentially a free online workshop where you can learn to master your craft or learn something new with lessons taught by the world's best. Don't worry, using this approach does not imply that you will be teaching a lesson, so you do not need to worry because this is beginner friendly and you won't be needing any skills. Again, using this method does not imply that you will be making any videos or you will be charged any deposit fees or anything. This is a completely free method that you can use to collect passive income from this website. So go to their website at createlive.com, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Then at the bottom of the page, you can see this area right here that says join us. Under that, you can find the becoming an affiliate button. I want you to click on it, and that is how we can make money from this website. So the affiliate program allows you to earn money by linking your audience to awesome material. For those who are new to earning money online, here is how affiliate programs work. You register on their website, and the website can provide you with an affiliate link that you can share with anyone. And anytime someone clicks on that link, you can earn money. It's just that easy. So this website gives you a 30% commission, and this is awesome because most of the other websites only give 1 to 5% commissions, but this website has 6 times the commission of most websites. This means that when a new user visits this website, you can receive 30% of anything the person purchases on the website within the first 30 days. But before you earn something, you must first register your account. To register an account, you can just click on the sign up button right here. They explain in more details how this particular affiliate program works so that you can read it. This also ensures that regardless of where you are from, you will be able to become an affiliate with this website. And also for setting up an account, it does not matter if you're in the United States, if you're in India, Cambodia, Poland, it does not matter which country you're coming from, you will be able to sign up for a new account as an affiliate member with this website. Now go ahead and fill out the remaining information such as your name, your password, and once you've finished signing up, you can begin supporting this website. Now allow me to demonstrate the opportunity you have to encourage on this website. When you go to the classes list, you'll see that there are a total of more than 1900 classes that you can promote. You can see how the website categorizes their classes on the left side of the page. There are channels for picture and video, art and fashion, music and audio, craft and artists, and money and lifestyle. Essentially, different channels represent different niches that people want to learn about. Many of these courses now provide free instructions that you can direct traffic to. Now, once a customer likes free training, more of them will actually purchase the class. Usually, they have big savings on this platform because this will make the users more likely to buy a new class. So they will be able to save some money because as these people start buying classes, you will then get a percentage of whatever they pay as commission. Now, click on one of these courses and you'll be able to see a lot of information about the class, which will help you determine whether or not to promote it. These particulars will also assist you in obtaining comparative evidence that you can use to promote the class. For example, if I click on this class, as you can see here, there are a lot of details from it, such as the price of the class, the number of the students who bought it, and what percentage of the students recommended this class. Scrolling down will also show you the lesson specifics and other details about the class's availability. Scrolling down further will show you some of the class materials that you will use, as well as some feedback from students who have already taken the class. Now that you've learned a lot about a lesson, you'll be able to promote it. There are many methods for promoting these classes, and today I have prepared tips and tricks for you to use in order to get a large number of people to attend these classes through your affiliate link. Wait, before we continue, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. EarnPal's aim is to assist you in learning how to make an online income stream. I put a lot of time and commitment into these videos to ensure that each of these methods work properly. So I'd love it if you guys subscribed and clicked on the notification bell, and don't forget to click on the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so for the first tip that I have for you is to choose a channel or a niche that you have an interest in or you are familiar with. You can check whether what we are teaching in the class is something that the community would find useful. It also helps to be knowledgeable about the niche when promoting a class because you'll be able to use proper terminology and you won't promote false information. Now, my second tip for you is to go on social media and look for posts that are asking about specific niches. There are a lot of people on social media who will make posts wishing that they knew how to do something. Say, for example, you wanted to sell this class, so what you could do, for example, is go onto Twitter and search for how to use Photoshop. The search will then give you tweets that all have how to use Photoshop in them. What you can do now is reply to all the tweets with a short description of the course and your affiliate link that they can use to go to the course. The third and the final tip I have for you is to join Facebook groups for that specific niche. There are so many Facebook groups that are dedicated to specific niches, and the people who choose to join these groups are people that are really interested in the lessons. Since these groups are filled with interested people, you have a high potential to find people that want to learn skills relating to you. So, for example, if you choose to join an art group on Facebook, you can open up the art and design channel on Create Live and choose a class that you believe people in the group will be interested in. Then simply make a post on the main group thread promoting the class and leaving your affiliate link in the post so that when they use the link and buy the class, you will be able to earn a commission. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video as always.